Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is our second day in Antwerp and we are going on a day trip to Bruges, which is 90 kilometers from Antwerp. We will take you along with us to the minnewater lake, scenic canal boat tour, the pier wall, and we'll end the trip at the market square of Bruges. We reached Bruges in around 1.5 hours and parked our car near minnewater lake. There are a lot of machines like this. You just have to go with your card or even with the cash and you can take the parking ticket on hourly basis. We are in Rouges right now and we are planning to go to minnewater lake. And also there is a World Heritage Site which is very famous and we are planning to explore that. And look at this building, it's so beautiful. We were at this romantic hotspot in 5 minutes. Once people believed that water nymphs lived here and thus the lake acquired its name. It's a perfect spot for Instagram-worthy posts. Bollywood movie PK was shot in Bruges and there were scenes from this place in its famous song called Char Kadam. Right next to it lies Beguinage. This place was founded in 1245 and is inhabited by the nuns and several Bruges women who have decided to remain unmarried. I was awestruck to see such an old building. In Bruges, you can hop in for a carriage ride for 60 euros that will take you around the city. This eye-catching water fountain with fresh water is for the thirsty horses. It was afternoon and by this time we were famished and treated ourselves with some yummy Asian food. There are a lot of options but many restaurants remain closed after noon for a couple of hours, so the best time to have lunch is sometime around noon. We found this shop near our restaurant and bought some Belgian chocolates. After lunch, we took the canal boat tour, which is must do if you are in Bruges. The sun, soothing breeze and beautiful canals for 30 minutes with centuries-old architecture is a treat in itself. I recommend wearing sunscreen and taking the water bottle along. The English audio guide was super helpful and we learned many things about this heritage city. After the boat tour, we walked around to explore the city. Belgians have a long-standing passion for antique fairs and flea markets. This is one of the famous flea market along the dishware. We saw world's second tallest 115.5-meter high brick church tower called Church of Our Lady. Inside, you can find a wealth of art treasures. Later, we walked around and found a bar called 2B, which is famous for the beer wall. Bruges also has its own beer called Bruges Zort, which is available here. You can also find the 2B shop with wide variety of beer, chocolates, biscuits, t-shirts and Tintin Chapel on the first floor. So right now we are going towards the market square of Rouges and it's really beautiful. The architecture is very different and colorful. Let's see. This is Belfry Tower, which is 83 meters high and city's most prominent building. Those who climb to the top of the Belfry are rewarded with a breathtaking panorama. This is the place from where the carriages start. And we bid our goodbye to Bruges. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.